From her early years, she learned one thing. If there is a problem, it is her responsibility. If someone is sad, she must do something. If a relationship is broken, she should fix it with her own hands. Maybe you know this feeling too. In the middle of tiredness, money problems, work pressure, and family expectations, you still think you must make everyone feel better, even when you have not felt okay for a long time. She was a girl who said sorry all the time. For words she never said. For boundaries she set. For the no that others did not want to hear. Most of her mistakes came from good intentions. She wanted to save, fix, and correct things. But sometimes, this need to fix made other people feel small. She thought she was supporting others, but in reality, she was deciding for them. She thought she was showing the way, but sometimes she was closing the road. Slowly, some people started to move away. Not with arguments, not with explanations. They just became quieter, gave shorter answers, and were less themselves. One night, after a heavy conversation, this question appeared. Maybe I was also a burden on others, without knowing it. It was painful. But for the first time, she saw her mistakes. Not to blame herself, but to understand. Not everything in other people's lives needs to be fixed. Not every pain is our personal project. And not every silence is an invitation to interfere. She understood that sometimes the best help is to let people walk their own path, even if they fall. She put down the role of the one who fixes everything. And surprisingly, the world did not fall apart. Some relationships ended, but the ones that stayed became more real. A strange weight left her shoulders. Not because she became perfect, but because she no longer had to make everyone perfect. She accepted her mistakes, not to erase the past, but to avoid repeating it in the future. She was responsible for her own feelings, not for other people's lives. And for the first time, this felt like freedom. She learned that the deepest form of growth is this: to know what you should fix and what you should respectfully let go.
If you enjoyed this story, subscribe so you don't miss the next ones. These stories help you grow your English skills and your mind. Subscribe and join us to make progress step by step. Stay tuned for more stories.